What's up, buds? It's Fly High FPV. Want to let you know I have got more CNC metal gimbals in stock. I just got a quick restock from Pyro. I got these right here in my Tango 2, and these also work in the Mambo. These are folding sticks, so you can just fold them right down like that, and when you're done, you just pop them back up. They go right back into position. Always nice and ready to go for you. If you don't want CNC metal gimbals, I have the regular non-folding gimbals in stock. I also have the V2 folding gimbals from TBS, and then these are my favorite, the CNC gimbals. You can see I've also got the ThumbGrippies stick ends on here. Absolutely love these. These are resin printed. This is the mini mushroom style. Tango 2 and Mambo are both going to use the M3, but I've also got M4 in stock that'll work for your TX16S. So just about every radio covered these days. Come get them at flyhighfpv.com.